Jodine B, and I'm back again with another video. I want to turn into a diamond princess. So what we're gonna do is get some denim from the thrift store. Okay, the thing about it is I'm trying to recreate some items that are on the market that are pretty pricey and you know I won't pay for, but I'm pretty sure that I can make myself even though I don't know how to sew. So it's an experiment in itself, it's a project, but I feel like it'll be a good one nonetheless. So step one, I'm going to try to find some jeans that fit my waist, and I'm going to find a jean jacket, and that's why we're at Goodwill, because I can get it for like little to no money. You know how I do. All right, so by the way, thank you so much for subscribing. I love you guys so much. Kisses to you and kisses to you and kisses to you and kisses to you too. Let's go.
Is on the beat.
Big bus guys. I think that there's no denim jackets here, which sucks because that means that I'm gonna have to go to another thrift store. Alright, time to try these bad boys on. Okay, so guys, I only got 2 pants, one of which is not even denim, so I'm gonna have to go to another thrift store.
Many months later.
Okay, so this is like the second time of me thrifting for this video. This video is literally taking years to film. I don't know why, but whatever. My car is not working. She's actually parked back there. She got towed or whatever. So my best friend Carl, this is Carl, can pick me up so we can finish this video. So we're going back to the fabric store because I'm gonna buy like 2 yards of that. Okay, hey guys, so I was at home and I was about to start my makeup. I was like, oh my god, I started to film this video like a month ago and then just put it down and I didn't finish it. So I said, something told me, okay, get up, go get what you need for this video. So I'm at the fabric store. I ended up leaving. Okay, they're charging me $35 a yard for the fringe, the trimming. So I ended up buying 5 yards of this 4-inch chain fringe off of this decorative trimming website, and it came up to $52 only because shipping was like 17 bucks. Oh my god, you can see the ring light, but it was like 32 beforehand. But anyways, hopefully this website isn't a scam and my trimming comes, and within the next week and a half, because it's 5 to 10 business days, I can film the rest of this video and it can be up. My brother sponsored it, so I'm just gonna, you know, I'm gonna buy it, you know, but I do have that backup trimming, and then we're going to go to the thrift store to get more jean jackets. So yeah, do you want to say anything?
No, I'm good.
Carl is hiding his little we're from Florida. Well, you guys know I'm from Miami, and he's trying to, like, I don't know if he's trying to duke out his hair. I don't know what's going on, but I don't like it. So he said he's gonna wear a hat. That's why he's wearing a hat. But he saved the day because I need to finish this and I want it out like next week. So yeah.
And your things here goes from by the scissors, right?
Or should I like go for the shorter? Oh, so pretty. So I bought the crystal trimming. I'm too excited now. I'm too excited.
Either you run a yard gang or you Subaru. Got a New Orleans bitch and that pussy voodoo.
In a quarter mile, keep left or follow.
So my dreams are coming into reality. We are now at the thrift store, the Red, Bright, and Blue in Flamingo Plaza. Okay, so like this doesn't hit, right? I mean,
you want like a lighter? I want
to do a lighter shade, and I wanted to find black denim, but I'm gonna pick this up. But you literally have to thrift denim, and I did not know that. So if you don't know, you gotta thrift denim. You actually gotta find. Guys, I just met somebody that knows who I am. Hi y'all. Hey YouTube. What's your name?
I'm LaJoyce.
Hi, LaJoyce. My name's Jodine.
Nice to meet you.
She's an emerging artist, and she's in Miami working on her album. So
y'all.
when it comes out, she'll let me know, and I'll
will.
let you guys know.
I will. Thank you.
This is what I'm leaving with. I'm gonna have to make it work, guys. Like, it is officially tutorial time, and I'm just gonna talk as this goes. So I'm showing you guys the hemming. This is actually very, very, very easy to do. No sewing, all glue. So I'm basically going to measure up how much trimming that I need to cover the hemming. I got lucky because these pants literally, hold on, you going too fast, baby. Yeah, so the pants came with an outline of where to put the trimming. So as you guys can see, I'm using that E6000 glue to glue on the trimming and onto the pants. I put the glue onto the trimming and then stuck it into the pants, and I did it piece by piece. And you're going to see me do that over and over and over and over again. So it's a pattern of putting the glue onto the trimming, sticking the trimming onto the pants, and putting pressure onto the trimming to stick the pants and the trimming together. Be careful with the glue. It's like really tacky, and you're just gonna see like films of the glue coming out. So just be careful with it and don't get it anywhere other than the trimming onto the pants. Also, allow the glue 72 hours to completely dry. And I ended up doing this all the way to the tippy toes of the pants. I'm gonna do that on the other side until the pant is complete. Bada boom, bada bang, the finished product. Now to more fun and real diamonds. So basically what I did with this one is cut the length I needed for each sleeve of the trimming. And then I cut the trimming into 3 pieces so it's easier to glue, because I wasn't going to go for making a whole mess. So here I am. I'm about to glue each piece I needed onto the hem of the sleeve. And eventually I did the same thing on the other side, making my diamond wings. So then I flipped that bad boy over and I said I needed a little bit more than just the crystal. So I layered the trimming that I got off of decorativetrimming.com and the crystal trimming that I got from the fabric store, and made a little, you know, pop for the back hem of my jacket. So here I am cutting how much I want out, and I'm going to layer the crystal fringe on top of that, and I'm still going to cut the crystal fringe in 3 to make it easier to glue. And I'm going to glue the silver metallic one onto the jacket and the crystal trimming onto the silver metallic one, if that makes sense. Well, it does make sense. I mean, you guys are watching it. Then I flipped that bad boy over again and was like, I need a little shapop on the front. So on the pocket area, I'm going to put the crystal trimming like on top of the hem of the pocket. And then I also wanted to crop the jacket. So I folded the jacket inwards to the length of how I wanted to crop it. And then I bobby pinned that bit so that I knew where to cut. Child, look at what time I be recording. So here I am freehandedly cutting the jacket to the length that I thought I wanted it to, and then I ended up cutting it a little bit shorter because it wasn't as short as I wanted it to be. Then I used my Delightful Minx box as a ruler to, you know, kind of etch out how I wanted to cut it because it was looking really raggedy. Shout out to Delightful Minx, the best mink lashes ever. Like, I've been using those lashes ever since I got them. And here I am basically itching at the denim fabric to distress the edge of the jacket so it doesn't look too straight. And then I'm going to end up pulling at the seams so I can give that distressed look. You know, Miss Busting Out the Seams is always going to pull at the seams. And here we are with the finished look, giving Miss Megan Thee Stallion vibes, Dallas cheerleader vibes, Lil Nas X vibes, period, honey, period. Early 2000s, honey. Am I Beyonce or what? Okay, is it Jodine B and the B stands for Beyonce or what? Okay. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It literally took me so long. I started recording this video late April and it's like early July and now it's coming out, but you know. Procrastination is like my middle name. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much. You guys don't understand. But anyways, it's your girl Jodine B, aka the Bling Barbie, and we're signing out.
Drip on 100. Y'all hoes hate. Drip on 100. Y'all hoes hate. Drip on 100. Y'all hoes hate.
And wanna buy me right there.